So hey beautiful people, this is an exciting video that has the potential of being life-changing for you. These foods and the nutrients in them have changed my life and health. I'm sure you've heard of the ancient quote, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." Well, we're not exactly sure if Hippocrates said that, but it is a really important quote. There is a healing power in food. I'm covering 8 of my favorite healing foods today, and I'm breaking it down to how they're especially important, and I'm giving you a bonus. For each food, I'm linking my favorite recipes from my website that contain an abundance of that healing food, so you can get a start right away to consume them. You're really going to want to stick around for this. It's so good to be here with you. My name is Lindy Ford, and I'm a registered dietitian, clinical functional nutritionist, and nutrition detective. Thanks for joining our family and by hitting that subscribe. Also, mash that little bell up there and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. I was extremely sick at one time with undiagnosed thyroid disease, Lyme's disease, and a severe hormone imbalance. In other words, I was one hot mess. It took me a while to heal, but I was determined. All of the foods I'm about to mention contributed to me recovering and becoming optimally healthy and keeping me that way. I'm so grateful for the power of healing contained inside of them. All of these foods contain properties and nutrients that contribute to healing and help to prevent disease. But here's the key factors of what they do. They lower inflammation, they detoxify harmful chemicals, contribute to a healthy gut, build the immune system, and stabilize blood sugars. Some of them may even do some or most of the above. So as always, I'm ranking these in the healing power order and saving my favorites for last. Like I said, I'm also linking my favorite recipes so you can find them on my website to make your healing journey a little easier. So my number 8 favorite healing food are nuts and seeds. Why? They're anti-inflammatory because of omega-3 fatty acids, especially flax, chia, and walnuts. This type of omega-3 is not as bioavailable as another form that I'm going to mention later, but they are great. They also contain polyphenols and other antioxidants. They contain healthy fats, magnesium, and fiber for heart health. And because of the protein, fat, and fiber combo in them, they help with insulin sensitivity and blood sugar balance. That's important not only for diabetes prevention, but for almost every major disease. My recipe is my Lindy's Note Meal, and it's a patient favorite made with nuts and seeds and not oatmeal. Number 7 healing food is avocados. Avocados are extremely anti-inflammatory and support cellular healing. That's because of their high content of monounsaturated fats, the main fat found in olive oil, but also because of 2 really important minerals, magnesium and potassium. An avocado has a higher potassium content than bananas. Potassium is key to lowering blood pressure, but all of the healthy fats and minerals in avocados help to prevent heart disease. Avocados contain great fiber to support gut health, and the high fat helps with insulin sensitivity, think diabetes, pre-diabetes prevention. A wonderful recipe from my website and link below is Lindy's Deliciously Simple Shrimp and Avocado Salad. Number 6 is cruciferous vegetables, and these include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, and arugula. My new kick right now is arugula salad with walnuts, apple, and blue cheese. I don't know, I'm on this kick. These cruciferous vegetables are detoxification powerhouses. They're uniquely powerful because of their sulfur-containing compounds called sulforaphanes, which activate healing pathways in the body. These compounds boost glutathione, a powerful detoxifying antioxidant. This all supports liver detox pathways that enhance toxin breakdown and support elimination of excess hormones. If you can't detox properly, you will age faster and set yourself up for disease, beautiful people. So a great recipe linked below is my broccoli and beef stir fry with avocado. Number 5, healing food is garlic. There are so many reasons that garlic is a healing powerhouse. So let's start with this. It's a natural antibiotic and immune booster. When chopped or crushed, a compound called allicin is formed. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects and therefore helps the body fight infections and the severity and duration of colds. Garlic is also a powerful prebiotic food that feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthy immune system. Garlic is also an amazing anti-inflammatory food that decreases blood pressure, supports brain health, and there is some evidence that garlic aids in cancer prevention, especially digestive cancer. A recipe on my website is the kale and quinoa minestrone stew. Number 4 healing food are onions and leeks. Onions and leeks support your immunity. One reason is because they're rich in quercetin, which is a super antioxidant. I'm linking my quercetin video below. If you haven't seen it, you have to. They also contain sulfur compounds similar to garlic, so they help fight bacteria, viruses, and lower inflammation. They contain a higher amount of prebiotic fiber, especially in the leeks. Remember, gut health means stronger immunity again, better digestion, weight control, and improved mood. So there's no better recipe than my chicken artichoke soup on my website, and that link is below. There's other amazing gut building foods in that recipe. So number 3 healing food is omega-3 rich fatty fish. It's one of the strongest food-based interventions for cardiovascular health because they're rich in EPA and DHA omega-3s. This type of omega-3 is much more potent than the omega-3s found in plant sources such as chia seeds, actually 20 times more potent maybe. Omega-3s possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. They also support immune health because they contain vitamin D and effectively combat mood disorders. The best sources are really in this order are Atlantic mackerel, black cod or sablefish, anchovies, sardines, wild-caught salmon, and herring. I know it's hard to get enough omega-3s in fish in therapeutic amounts, so I have most people in my practice supplementing with a high-quality triglyceride-based fish oil, and there's none better than the NORDIC Naturals Pro Omega 2000. I'm going to link a link below to Fullscript, and you can get 20% off on my description on those. There are several great recipes on my website, but here are 2. Fish tacos with cabbage slaw and avocado crema, and Lindy's salmon cakes, also a big fan favorite. This next healing food could actually tie for first place. It's so super duper healing, and it is berries. I'm talking about all kinds of berries: blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and even cranberries. But here's a big caveat. They must be purchased organic. Spend the extra money or wait until they go on sale like I do. Berries are some of the dirtiest fruit according to the EWG, or Environmental Working Group. All those chemicals in your conventional berries going into your body are not worth the price. So why are they so powerful for healing? First, they're loaded with antioxidants, especially a super healing type called an anthocyanin, which is a type of polyphenol antioxidant. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Those are the unstable molecules that contribute to inflammation, aging, and chronic disease. Remember, chronic inflammation is the root of almost every major disease. The compounds in berries, especially blueberries, have been shown to protect the brain from oxidative stress, which improves memory, slows age-related cognitive decline, and supports focus. Organic berries also support heart health because they're proven to lower blood pressure and support healthy blood vessels. A wonderful recipe on my website that incorporates berries is my berry fresh salad, and you'll find that link below. As promised, I've saved my favorite for last, and my number one, drum roll please, healing food in all the planet would be number one is dark leafy greens. Now these include kale, spinach, collard, Swiss chard, arugula, my favorite right now, mustard greens, beet greens, dandelion greens, which are especially prebiotic, turnip greens, watercress, but not lettuces. They're not lettuces. Why are they so healing? Well, thank you for asking. I'm going to tell you. First, they activate liver detox pathways, especially the cruciferous kinds. Remember, kale and arugula. Remember we talked about that when we talked about cruciferous vegetables. Why is this so important? Because if your liver isn't healthy, beautiful person, you're not healthy. So many people walk around with poor liver health and don't even know it. This gives them so many health issues. These liver detox compounds and leafy greens support hormone metabolism, especially estrogen balance, and assist the body in eliminating toxins. They're anti-inflammatory, support your gut microbiome, help stabilize blood sugar, and give you super antioxidant protection. A great recipe on my website and link below is my watermelon and arugula salad with hazelnut dressing. So beautiful people, we know by more studies than I can count that individuals who consume the most antioxidant-rich foods in their everyday diets present with less disease, especially less cancers. All of the foods mentioned in this video take your risk factors of major disease just way down. But be mindful. Try to consume one or more of them daily. As the old saying goes, you pay now or you pay later. This is a delicious and nourishing way to pay now for your brighter future. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.